Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Selena and in today's video I will be revealing the top 10 hot programming languages that can help you land a high paying job in the exciting field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's jump in. So we will go from top to bottom, and along with that I will also mention what kind of companies are using these languages and for which type of tasks. The first one and the most populous one that has literally become a household name these days is of course Python. Developers like it because of its simplicity and readability, but its real power lies in its libraries and frameworks. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn provide robust tools for developing machine learning algorithms. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix rely heavily on Python for its machine learning abilities so that they can employ them in their AI and machine learning projects. Google uses TensorFlow for many of its AI applications, such as Google Photos and Google Translate, and Facebook leverages PyTorch for its applications in speech and image recognition. Next, we have R programming. While Python is known for its versatility, R is known for its statistical analysis and data visualization. R is used heavily in academia and research because of its powerful libraries like Caret and Random Forest, which simplify the process of predictive modeling. Companies like IBM, Google, and Pfizer utilize R for their data analysis and machine learning projects. While IBM uses R for predictive modeling and data analysis, Pfizer utilizes R for drug development and clinical trials. Moving on to Julia. Julia is relatively new but has quickly gained attraction due to its high performance in numerical and soft computing. It is designed for speed, which makes it an amazing choice for intensive machine learning projects. Top organizations like NASA, the Federal Reserve Bank, and Aviva are all making use of Julia for high-performance computing and financial modeling. While NASA uses Julia for complex simulations and data analysis, Aviva uses it for actuarial computations and risk management. Java is a veteran in the programming world, and it still remains crucial in the entire AI landscape. It is particularly valuable in enterprise environments and big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark, where it is integral to the AI environment. Companies like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Airbnb use Java extensively. While LinkedIn uses it for its real-time analytics and machine learning models, Twitter uses it for its strong backend system. C++ is known for its speed and efficiency, which makes it perfect for performance-critical applications in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is often used in real-time systems and for developing complex algorithms. Tech giants like Microsoft, Adobe, and Amazon use C++ for their high-performing applications. Microsoft uses C++ in its AI framework and gaming engines, whereas Amazon makes use of C++ in its AWS infrastructure and Alexa voice assistant. Scala is another language that is gaining popularity, especially for its big data processing with Apache Spark. Its functional programming features and scalability make it a strong candidate for artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. Companies like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Airbnb make use of Scala for their data processing and machine learning tasks. Twitter makes use of Scala with Spark for their real-time analytics, whereas LinkedIn uses it for its recommendation system. MATLAB is a king in algorithm development, data analysis, and simulation, and it hence provides extensive support for machine learning and deep learning projects. Organizations like NASA, Boeing, and Toyota make use of MATLAB for their AI and engineering projects. Boeing relies on MATLAB for its simulations and data analysis, whereas Toyota uses it for its autonomous driving algorithms. Lisp has a historical significance in AI development, and it is still used for research and academia. Companies like D-Wave and other research institutions make use of Lisp for research and development. D-Wave uses Lisp for its quantum computing and AI experiments. Prolog is known for its use in logic programming and natural language processing. It is declarative in nature and it is used to make concise expressions of complex problems. Organizations like IBM and research labs make use of Prolog for their AI applications, especially in expert systems and natural language processing. Lastly, JavaScript is making its mark in AI, especially for deploying models in web applications. Libraries like TensorFlow.js bring machine learning to the browser, enabling interactive AI experiences for the users. Google uses TensorFlow.js for its on-browser machine learning projects, and Microsoft uses JavaScript for its AI-powered web applications. And there you have it. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your skills, mastering these languages will set you on the path to success. Let me know in the comment section which language you are most excited to learn. Till then, thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.